How does time and seasons work on a flat Earth? Well, our realm is an electromagnetic terrarium surrounded by an ethereal sea of water. The sun and the moon journey above our flat Earth, rotating in concentric spirals. There are 5 prominent circles of latitude. First there's the Arctic Circle, which is closest to the center. Then the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees latitude in the northern hemisphere. Next the equator at 0 degrees latitude. Following that, the Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees latitude in the southern hemisphere. And lastly, the Antarctic Circle. The sun journeys from the equator during the March equinox, moving up in a concentric spiral to the Tropic of Cancer. Whenever the sun is in this position, the northern hemisphere experiences summer, and the southern hemisphere experiences winter. After that, the sun turns and begins making its way back to the equator. The word tropic stems from a Latin word, tropicus, which means pertaining to its own. The sun journeys back, taking the same concentric spiral path, reaches the equator again, and then keeps going until it reaches the Tropic of Capricorn. When the sun is in this position, the southern hemisphere experiences summer, and the northern hemisphere experiences winter. Then, it's back to the equator for the March equinox. The equinox occurs when the sun's journey is around the equator, and those living along this line of latitude will see the sun directly overhead at a 90-degree angle, especially at solar noon. The March equinox marks the season of spring in the northern hemisphere, and the September equinox marks the season of autumn. If you reside in the southern hemisphere, this is reversed. The September equinox marks spring, and the March equinox is autumn. Our sun never reaches the Arctic Circle, nor does it reach the Antarctic Circle. It never reaches our poles. It journeys to the tropic circles and then turns back, which we call a solstice, meaning the point at which the sun seems to stand still. It stops at the solstice because it does.